Do you know what? I don't like being on camera.
Everyone sees that, man.
I'm nervous now.
Yeah, I still do. I was going down, I was like, fucking, I look at 2 videos. I feel my belly like butterflying up. I'm alright from by myself and we got back on, but like when I come somewhere like this, I still get a bit nervous.
Yeah, like, everybody gets a bit nervous when you go a new place and you don't really know them though, as well. I suppose that adds to it.
Where's this crew?
Crew, yeah.
We'll mention it, do you know what I mean? Because people be like, think, oh, it's live around the corner. Right, are you ready?
No.
No? Neither man would be like, man would muddle through it. Alright fellas, mate with Mick, I've came to MES Tuning. We're just going to have a look about, see what kind of projects he's got on and what you get up to. Should we start with this, mate? What's the Sapphire?
Yeah, so that's my mate's car. We're building that for him. It used to belong to his brother years ago. He's found it and bought it back. So we're just going through it. It's got a big engine built for it. The engine's at home. I built it through lockdown. That kept me busy.
Did you?
Yeah.
What turbo one that you're putting on?
GTX 3071R. We've got T6 2000 management for it. An MIS magnesium inlet plenum.
Did you paint all the underneath? Or
Yeah.
Underside restorations, do you?
Yeah. That one's stood for a long time now, to be honest. It wants touching up in some places.
Is this still 2-wheel drive?
Yeah.
You say you didn't mess about with 4-wheel drive, do you?
No, we do. I've built big power 4-wheel drive
Have you?
cars. The problem is, it just costs too much money for making them reliable and fun.
Aye. Can I have a look at this? What's this one? I'll just turn the camera around so people can see.
Yeah, I'll lower it down.
I keep looking at Escort Cozzies, you know.
Yeah, they're good, aren't they?
I think if I had one, it would have to have a cloth interior.
Do you know what? I'd love a white one with red hex seats.
Exactly the seat I would get,
Yeah.
red hex.
The Rado. So this one.
Mate, I'll just check you in there. Come forward a bit, just so. Right, there we go. So what's this one?
So the customers bought this one, and it was all in bits. Somebody had started building a big power car, so it had a lot of big horsepower parts, but a bit of a mismatch of the right and wrong stuff. So he prefers standard stuff. He's got a bit of a collection, so we're just getting it as close to standard as we can. So we've tidied up. Yeah, standard T34. We've got as many standard parts as we can, standard air boxes, some standard style booster hoses, water hoses, new water tank, new power steering tank. Had everything blasted so it looks new and zinc coated where we can. And so as close to standards as we can get. There is some bits and bobs, engine mounts and stuff that always cause trouble anyway have been changed, but a modern loom on it. So
looks well. So you're putting standard wheels now on it?
Yeah, we've managed to get. We couldn't find a set for ages, and now we've got 2 sets of standard wheels for it. So they all come along together. All standard brakes. It had APs and stuff when it come.
Did it?
You took all them off and going back to standard. It's a bit upside down inside the car at the moment.
Well, it's in the middle of getting thingy, isn't it?
Yeah.
That looks well, mine. So this is just going to be standard power?
No, we'll leave a set of greens in it. It'll be 330 or
330.
But it'll look standard. It'll have a stainless on. Somebody's done an hydraulic clutch conversion, so it'll have that on it still. But a nice, standardish drivable car.
Can I have a look at something else?
Yeah.
Yeah, can I have a look at that? Is this yours, like?
Do you know, the car belongs to my best mate. And when I first started working for myself, he was my first customer. And he's been with me, I can't get rid of him now, he's one of my best mates. And it's always been our sort of like project car type thing. We've always been doing something with it.
So what's this then? Is this an RS 500?
Yeah,
or
it's
is
a genuine 500.
Is it?
Yeah.
So is it still on T4 turbo and stuff like that? No?
No, so it'll be a 2.4 litre when it's done. 6-speed sequential box, 9-inch diff, APs front and rear.
Flat machine?
Yeah.
What power will it be, roughly?
Hopefully 700 on pump fuel. We've got some NOS for it as well, but I'm thinking we might not need that after.
Can you open the door and have a look inside?
Yeah, we haven't been inside it in years, but yeah.
Might be a bit dusty, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. I always love the 3-door seats. The patterns and that, man.
Yeah, beautiful, yeah.
Old Fords, it's just like the new Fords are just flipping garbage, aren't they?
I've got no love for them. I love Mark 1 Focuses, they're good fun.
But they're getting old, so they're becoming cool again, aren't they?
I ran one, I put all the running gear in a Transit Connect and ran it every day, that was good fun.
What's this? Can we have a look at that? I love a white staff, mind.
Yeah, so this car is a new customer. So basically, a friend of mine bought a car to break, and it had an engine what I built about 10 years ago in the car. So the engine got sold to this guy Andy, and now he's bought the car. We're going to put it all together for him, sort everything out, get it all running, He's had the Shell for 3 years. So
Two-wheel drive this one?
yeah.
I like the Ambers as well.
Yeah. Obviously, everybody went 90 spec years ago, but it's got to be Ambers now.
Aye. People put them in the Mark 1 Focuses, don't they? Because originally the Mark 1 Focuses, like the RSs, came with clears, didn't they? But people are starting to put the Ambers.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Yeah, I've seen that, yeah.
I like it. It looks
Yeah,
alright.
looks good, yeah.
Have a look inside.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Standard seats and that with the Rocky Burns as there.
Yeah.
I was still smoking weed when I got my car, so I used to use the other little bit in between your legs.
Yeah.
Used to rest your joint, like your skins in there, your papers, and roll it up. I hope my mum doesn't watch this. Am I joking, mum, if you're watching? Aye, I like it, I like it. I would love a white Saf, exactly like this, but I'll put some old TSW Hockenheims on.
Yeah, I know what you're saying, yeah.
Put some earpiece or something
Yeah, the old
behind it.
Casa Performance car used to run them, yeah.
Can I have a look in the engine room?
Yeah, follow me.
How long you been in this place, like?
Do you know, I always try and remember dates of how old my son is, so I would say around 10 years now.
You've been here, have you?
Yeah.
So these engines what you're building for cars?
Yeah, so this is, we're building a mint facelift 4x4 Sapphire, a white one again. So that's the engine for going that when the car comes back from having its bodywork done.
What power will this be, do you reckon?
It's got valve springs in and stuff, and the head's ported, so if we put some cams in, it could be 500 horsepower
Aye.
easily if we change the turbo and whatever.
What turbo is that?
Just a standard T34.
T34?
Yeah.
What's this?
So I've got another SAF waiting to come in. This is the engine out of that. Somebody had just rebuilt it 2,000 miles ago, and all the bore had corroded. So we've had to put a liner in that one. It was that bad, so this is a bit of a salvage job. But he's having a load of other stuff done at the same time now.
They bling your mind, don't they?
Yeah, he's going a bit max power with this one. Normally people want this kind of a look now, but this guy's all maxed out.
Is he?
Yeah, he wants polished everything. There's polished rocker covers, polished inlet manifold and all sorts.
Aye, full.
Yeah. We used to build them like that all the time, but people don't want that anymore.
Nah, people want them standard looking now, don't they?
Yeah, so Adam's car, what you'll see in a bit, it's rare that we build cars like that anymore. Most people want everything standard like the Green Escort, but people that modify them and go a bit different, two-wheel drive Escort cars or something like that. We don't do it anymore, so it's a cool change.
So what's this one? Yeah, just pull the camera around so we can have a... So what's this one?
So this is for our 500, it's a Smith & Jones 2.4 litre block.
Aluminium block you were saying as well, weren't
Yeah,
you?
aluminium, yeah, 2.4 litre. So we're hoping for some strong power out of that. When I get a chance, we'll put it together.
What power are you hoping for?
Hopefully around 700 horsepower.
Around 700. Can you tell us how much the blocks are?
Yeah. I'd rather not.
Do you rather not? If you want to know, you might have to Google it.
Yeah, worth every penny of what it costs.
Aye.
A beautifully engineered thing.
What kind of power are they good for, the aluminium blocks?
I think people have had over 1,000 horsepower out of them.
Have they really?
Circa 1,000 horsepower, yeah.
Aye, nice.
Yeah, we're not, but normally we like refinish the rocker covers and stuff, but we kind of look like that one looked like a bit of a tool rather than a
Aye, it does. I like cars with a bit scratches and...
Yeah, I don't like obviously we build cars that look mint and show quality, but I like things that look like they've been used.
Bit patina.
Yeah.
Aye, I do. So this is what you mainly do, them just build cars, build engines and...
Yeah.
No?
Doing it for years, yeah, so if you've got a car in a million bits, we'll help you put it together or try and guide you the right way. Your engine wants rebuilding, we'll rebuild your engine.
Cool.
So they're just obviously, I told him put some cozzies in there.
Aye.
One of them chucking a flame out. That's my little son's racing number.
What, 66?
Yeah.
Who was it, your cousin, did you see it?
No, this is just a young lad starting his own business. And he always
Just like a mate?
I only met him through getting you see my engine room where it said MES
Aye.
tuning, he come and did that for me. But he's a nice lad and he just needs a bit of a...
Bit of a hand?
Yeah. Like we all do when you first start,
Aye.
you need some...
I will stand in front of it. Alright fellas, thanks for watching. If you're interested in getting in touch with Mick, I'll leave his links below. I'm guessing you've got Instagram and stuff like that, mate,
Yeah, I'll
have
give
you?
them all to you.
Alright. Also, you wanted to give a shout out to the lad that does the graffiti, don't you?
Yeah, Ethan Lemo. You need any paint work done, give him a shout.
Has he got an Instagram?
Yeah, I'll give that to you as well
Aye.
at the same time.
I'll leave that in the link below as well, fellas. Thanks for watching though. Thanks for having us down, Mick.
Cool.
And I'll catch you on the next one. Spot on, mate.
Sweet.